Guys, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. As we discussed yesterday about utilities, SAP IS-Utilities. See, just we go through the one brief introduction on this. Okay. Utilities can be defined as essential services provided to individual business communicates to the support daily life. Yeah, right. As we discussed yesterday, business areas. Okay, electricity, gas, water, multimedia, wastewater management, wastewater telecommunication, all these things. Just we are recalling. What is SAP? I think we discussed yesterday about the SAP systems, applications, and the products in data processing. Okay. It's a widely enterprise planning software, ERP software, okay, to manage the business operations. Okay, to not only to the SAP, but there are in not only to the ISU, there is a multiple of modules are there in SAP. Okay, multiple business modules like FICO, okay, multiple are there. Okay, in that ISU is one of the part of it, industry specific for in utility industry. Coming to this, we'll go through this physical pathway of power flow. Physical pathway is nothing but we know already we studied in our childhood days or all these things, all this about the electricity, how it will be generated. Okay, see this picture generation. There should be generating the electricity. Okay, after the generation, there should be transmission. Okay, why? Because there will be a voltage increases, things will be happen in that transmission stage. Okay, there after the transmission, it will go to the substations to reduce the voltage. Okay, they can't directly distribute. Okay, so it will go to the substation, reduce the voltage. After that, they will distribute to the service. In this, there will be two type of things are there in market: regulated market and deregulated market. In India, it's completely regulated market, handling by government, and some of the companies have their own service and their own thing, like Tata Power, Adani Power, like that. They are only generating, they are only giving the service. They are regulated things. And in US, especially Texas, there will be completely deregulated market. There are multiple service providers. There will be uh, multiple organizations to do the all these things. So it will be market is deregulated. In India, it's completely regulated. Okay. Here, deregulated, regulated is nothing but okay. Regulated didn't have a competition as, but For deregulated, there will be huge competition. There will be multiple service providers. Okay, multiple service providers. For example, uh, some of the X company is there, service provider. At this time of there will be a nearby service provider, other service providers also there. So what will happen in deregulated market is we will get more budget related things. Why? Because of in deregulated market they will give offers like that, budget offers to attract the customers. Okay. Next one is high level overview. I will give how it will be working. Okay. See, first of all, there will be a meter in our house. There will be meters. By that meter, will take there will be determining the meter reading, route scheduling, all this stuff. Why? Because of there will be a reading number. All these things will be there, right, in our meter. Okay. Some of the guy will come and take the readings. Okay, like that. And for that, for metering purpose, create reading requests according to the schedule. There will be every month we are getting electricity bill, or for example, you are getting electricity bill on 5th of every month. You are getting on every month, it will be 5th or 6th, 5th maximum. Why? Because scheduling. They will schedule like that. Okay. Scheduling to that date. Perform the meter reading and upload the validation of the all these things. How much you consumed on that month. Okay. After that, uploading the meter reads. Okay. It will go through MR results to calculate the consumption. How much bill, how much the consumption is to be. It will be calculated for billing to capture the all these things charges for the customer. Okay, next thing is to generate invoice for the customer. These are all things comes under the billing perspective. Okay, billings perspective, these are all things will comes under the picture. After that, print and issue the invoice to customer for or it is in maximum it will be customer will get mails. Okay, and next it will be next step is to account receivables. See, process payment received direct or via bank and agencies, initiate collections actions for non-paying customers, maintain customers credit profile, all these things. Why? Because customer credit profile is a main thing here. Okay, how the customer have the credit profile. Credit profile is nothing but your credit score. Okay, in India it will be like a CIBIL score. Okay, in US it will be credit score. So we have they will check how the credit profile is about the customer. Is it good or bad? Like that. All these things comes under the these payments related collections, all this stuff. Customer service perspective. See, customer calls with a query, request or complaint. The initiation there will be a order work, order creation will be happen to satisfy the customer request. Okay, and for that there for every customer there will be a business partner and contract account. Okay, they will took the contract account if necessary, and they will check what is the issue of the customer if any queries of the customer. Okay. This is the whole thing in high level overview of what happening in the a customer relationship management. Okay, from starting of the thing to ending of the thing, it will happen. This is the business actually in utility domain. Okay, and coming to the next, SAP features of SAP ISU: generation, transmission, distribution, customer service, billing, all these things for gas, water, electricity, it will be. ISU comes under picture at distribution level. Okay, at the distribution level, ISU will come. In that, there will be multiple processes. See, device management, work management, billing and invoicing, collections, customer service, measuring consumption. All things, there are multiple things are multiple processes are there here. Okay, we will go through one by one. Device management. Device management means in our house there will be a meter, electricity meter. Okay, they will manage all these things. How we are consuming, how much we are consuming per month, the meter readings. Okay, by the meter readings only, we are getting the charges. Okay. Starting of the uh, how they will be consumption. Okay, happening, starting of the meter reading and ending of the meter reading. All these things it will be for charges only. Managing, but these other things managed by the device management comes under the this group. Work order management is creating the work order types. Okay, service or service orders like that. How the service, there will be a service between service order creations. The customer have a service like that. If customer have a service like moving, then work order also will create service order, like that service order will be created. SO date is nothing but a service order. Okay, from the data of the SO creation, the customer will get the service. Billing and invoicing. See, in the billing perspective, if we are generating the bill after creating the uh, billing order, okay, the bill is not to go for customer side. Okay, if we generate a bill by using a T code, some EZB T code, it won't go to customer because of it is a bill. Okay, it is not a invoice. Okay, it is up to the contract level. Okay, but as invoicing is different. Invoicing is contract account level. Okay, contract account level. So that's the thing. Invoice is go to the customer. If you did anything mistakes on billing is okay, fine. It will be internal thing to manage all the things. If there is any adjustments, okay, fine. But invoicing, you can't do any changes. Why? Because invoice will send to the customer. Okay, we have to be aware of it in difference between billing and invoicing. Okay. Invoicing will go to the customer, billing will not go to the customer. Collections. See, collections is nothing but, for example, take credit cards. Every month we are getting a statement, right, to pay the bills. If we didn't pay the credit card bill, what they will do? They will at the stage there will be a multiple stages on that. Okay, at the starting of the few days, they will give a warning mails, warning reminders, sending reminders like that, right? They will send a reminders to pay the bill like that. They will send any reminders on the app or anything else, message like that. And at the second stage, what they will do, they will send a mails like pay the credit card bill like that. At the third stage, what they will do, they will call you. They will call you and they have multiple things to do that, right? There are collection agents. So they will call you and how it will be uh, they will call you and pay the bill like that they will ask you. At the fourth stage, they will hang the door. All these things will happen, right? They will react wildly like that. These are all same how credit card guys are doing. These are all things comes under the collections. Collections is nothing but another name is dunning. Okay, same thing happening in utilities also. Okay, what the credit card is doing, same here also it will be like that concept only. Okay, if customer didn't pay the bill, okay, this collection didn't pay the bill 1 month or 2 months like that, then it will go to the collections dunning. Okay, there will be multiple stages, starting stages, and there will be 2 to 4 stages, 4 to 5 stages are there. Some of the utility companies, it's depend upon the company. Okay, send is a one word is nothing but sending reminders to the customer to pay the bill. Okay, and next one is customer service. Customer service is mainly, see, as we discussed about previously, this is the service. Okay, customer calls and raise a request or complaints. For example, customer have a issue with a meter, that meter is not working properly. Customer calls the that department and they will initiate a ticket or a work order and as well as they will send one guy field worker like that. They will check with him is it working fine or not, and after that they will do whatever the things have to do, they will work. These are all things coming to the customer servicing. Okay, servicing, customer service also most important in the business. Okay, without the customer service business won't work, right? So here customer services also plays a major role. And next is measuring consumption. Measuring consumption is from the starting of the month, there will be meter reading, for example, 1000. Okay. Ending of the month, they will take a starting of the meter reading and ending of the meter reading. It will be displayed in the meter. Okay. They will check how the consumption, how much consumption we took per month, electricity or anything, gas, water, or how much we consumed per month. They will took and they will generate a bill. Okay, and there will be two types of meters here: traditional meters and AMI meters. Okay, traditional meters. Traditional meters is nothing but a old meters. They didn't have anything like the profile values like that. Profile values is nothing but it will be, they don't have 15 minutes interval read generation. Okay. But in AMI meter, AMI meter is advanced meters, smart meters. It will be around 5 to 10 years back also. Yeah, 5 years also. Yeah, it's the latest meters. Traditional meters are old meters, very old meters. They won't have much more features. But in AMI meter, there will be they every 15 minutes interval will generate. Okay. So like that, traditional meters and AMI meters, these are the two meters. But AMI meters are very specific and accurate. Okay. Coming to this ISU house, ISU house is a major thing here in utility domain. See, CO is a connection object. At the top of the house, there will be connection object. It is also known as CO. And coming to the inner side, business partner. Okay, business partner to contract account. Okay, contract account to one contract. See, there will be electricity one, gas two, water three, and for that there will be installation, electricity meter, gas meter, water meter, like that. See, one thing you have to observe here, every every contract account, see, there will be a three contracts, four contracts, multiple contracts will be there. It's okay, fine. Why? Because customer have electricity, gas, water, wastewater. Yeah, multiple contracts are there. Okay, to whatever the thing customer need, it will take the contract. Okay, for one contract account, there will be multiple contracts. Okay. And also for one business partner, there will be multiple contracts accounts. So you have to observe here very carefully. For one business partner, there will be multiple contract accounts will be created. See, business partner is nothing but a client. Okay, for that client, there will be multiple contract accounts. Contract accounts is nothing but CS. Okay, for that CS, there will be multiple contracts. Okay. For that contracts, there will be multiple installations as well. See, this one is apartment one equal to premise. Premise is nothing but the whole apartment is considered as a premise. The flat is also a premise. There will be electricity, gas. For this, there will be a device location is hall. Here they gave, and water meter is to be down of the basement. So for device location is to be basement. Most of the times like this only. Okay. Service connection of water, service connection of gas, electricity, all this stuff. There will be happened by the grid lines. Okay. See, we'll define few concepts. What are the things we discussed about this? We'll check in a theoretical part. Connection object is a physical location where utility service is provided. Mainly stores address information, which is generally used as the supply address, like that. Okay. Business partner, a person or organization which the company will maintain business relationships. Contract account is nothing but contains business business data of a business partner, all these things. Device is nothing but a measuring of a electricity, all these things. Okay. Premise is nothing but your flat, apartment, or anything else. Okay. That whole apartment comes under the premise like that. Installation, a group of all devices, register, rate, billing values are all allocated to a premise or grouped together for billing. For here, billing perspective, it will do joint invoicing. Okay. For all the contracts, it will be generate one bill, one invoice also as well. And division is nothing but there will be electricity division, gas division, like that. See here, for example, electricity, water, natural gases. This kind of services is comes under the division. Now we'll check how in SAP it perform the hierarchy. Okay. My SAP screen is visible to you. Nice. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. See, what we discussed theoretically, we'll see in SAP. Okay. See, for one contract account, have a contract here. This is a contract, and there will be a installation. See, this is the installation. This is the move in. Customer is moved on January. If I click on here, I come to the installation level. Okay. This is the installation and device. See, this is the device. Device is available here. That device is valid from today. See, like that. And coming to see, this is the hierarchy for your understanding. Business partner, contract account, utility contract, utility installation. Premise is connected to CO, connection object, device. Have you guys understand that thing? This is the main thing as we discussed about that. We discussed all these things, right? Connection object, business partner, contract account, device, premise, installation, division, all these things we are seeing in SAP data environment. Okay, this is the hierarchy. Same picture. What is the thing data environment? What I have shown you in SAP. This is the installation. See, this is the installation level. See here, customer is moving at January, and as well as there will be start bill period and date of schedule. All these things will be there. Yeah. Here, the schedule meter is 34 2025, fourth month. Okay, by use, see here, contract account, business partner, validity. Okay, all these things will be can see in billing time, bill time. And as well as see in business partner level, we can check customer name, okay, address, country, all these things we will check at the business partner level. Address overview, see all these things we can check here. See, this is the social number. Anyways, there will be social number. Here it is any other driving license. All these things will be, we'll mention here. Okay, basic data here we can keep basic account details like address, social number, identification. All these things will be you will get from business partner. Business partner is nothing but BP. See, this is the BP. Okay, it's the BP. And in this BP, there will be BP role is also much more important while selecting. Okay, just coming to the slide. Now we'll discuss about the business master data, BMD, master data. Master data is nothing but, as we discussed, business partner to contract account to contract. Okay, this is the flow. The master data model holds the both the customer property information, customer information is held in the business partner data. All the things what we see in business partner, right? BP. address information, all this information what we have seen in the BP. And technical information is it's a different thing. That is device all these things. But business master data up to here only. Business partner, contract account, contract. Okay. See, business partner is nothing but a person or a legal entity with whom you have a business relationship. Customer account. A customer accounts, the management of the customer is driven by the contract account, billing method, payment method, collection method. All this comes under the picture in contract account. Contract. Contract means an agreement between the business partner and the utility company is nothing but contract. Next, TMD. As we discussed about the connection object, premise, installation, device location, all these attributes we discussed right at previously. This is the flow of the TMD. See, the installation is nothing but installation stores the billing property for one or more devices at a premise level. Device location means provides the information of the physical location of the device where it will be. Premise. Premise is nothing but a your address, flat or apartment. Okay, it's nothing a factory. It's commercial like that. You see, a person is an enclosed special unit sub, that is to be supplied with energy such as a apartment or a factory. Connection of is nothing but it's a building, piece of a property or any other facility that is connected to the supply grid. Okay. See, and next one is in the master data, there is a link up with business and technical master data. Okay, first one is business partner, contract account, contract, installation. See here, CO, premise, installation. These three are connected with contract. At the top of that, business partner, contract account is created to contract. Contract plays a major role here. Okay, see the business master data and the technical master data is a main role. If it is a club, then it will be a customer is in moving. Okay, the interlinked with both of that, it will be moving. If that is contract will be separated, that contract will be broken, then it will be like move out. Okay, see here, the business master data and the technical master data exist separately, and as well as when a customer move out, the link is broken. The customer master data and technical master data moves to the separate. As we discuss now. Yeah. If it is a contract will be broken, that will be moved. See, for example, in India or US, anywhere else, if we are not required electricity service, then we will apply for the we not required the service. Then what they will do, it will be moved. Okay, when move out happen, this link will be broken. Business master data and technical master data link will be broken. Okay, up to that day, they will calculate the invoicing. That will be final billing. Okay, see, this is the master data. Business partner, contract account, contract, billable service, installation, premise, connection, connection object, connection, technical installation, PO, non-billable service provider, all these things. It is to be business master data billing perspective. At the installation level, there will be device and that will be device location. All these things comes under the technical master data as we discussed previously. Yeah. And see in business partner, as we discussed, general and address communication, all these things available, right? As we see now, address, okay, all these things we got. Communication details, all these things we get. Payment transactions, all these attributes we will get. Bank details also will update here. See, contract account data. Let's see contract account data. SAP. See, this is a contract account. For this contract account, in this slide, general data, control, okay, account assignment, dunning data, incoming payments, outgoing payments, all these things there, right? These are all attributes are available in here. Check general data. There will be available, right? Uh, customer name and tolerance group, all these things, payment details, payment terms, dunning details. See, general data, dunning data, general data and dunning data, all these things available here. Okay, this is a grouping. Grouping is much more important here. Controlling and incoming payments. See, incoming payments, outgoing payments, payment data, all these things are available here, right? And see, company code, standard code, incoming payments. See here, incoming payments also, there will be multiple things are there. It's not opening here. Outgoing payments. And here is the tolerance group, clearing category. Okay, payment terms, and also account determination ID. See, which customer it is. It is a residential customer or commercial customer, like that. There are multiple customers are there. Most of the times in real time, there will be residential customers and commercial customers. Okay, CO, CR, RS, RC, like that. Okay, most of the times in real time also there will be like that only. We can check here also. You can check here also. At the contract level also, we can check company code, device, all these things. This has contract must be invoiced jointly with other contracts. Okay. If customer have multiple contracts, 3 to 4 contracts also, they will be invoice like that only. Invoice will be only one invoice. See, and also there will be multiple things are there. Customer must be invoiced jointly with other contracts. The contract must be invoiced with other contracts. Contract can be invoiced jointly with other contracts. Contract must not invoiced with other contracts. But most of the times in utilities, first one is the thing. Okay, all the all the invoices are jointed. Okay, if the customer have electricity, gas, water, all the bills, all the contracts will be joined, and they will invoice the customer. Invoice will done by these billing and invoices will done by the batch job. Okay, it will be all automatically generate the bills and invoices. And some of the times we have to check in enhancements or anything else at QA development systems. Okay, but most of the times we are not manually sending the bills and invoices. Most of the times it will be batch job. And payments and taxes coming to here, same as this incoming payments, outgoing payments, taxes, tax exemptions. Okay, all these things attributes will be here. Next one is connection object. To go to the device level, there will be master data. In that master data, here it is a connection object. See, this is the connection object in SAP. See, first one is connection object number, description, status. It is should be created. Okay, and address, postal number, time zone. All these things will be available. Address information. Okay, plant. All these things will be available in connection object. See, location, plant maintenance, additional data, attributes, and address general. These are all things. These will be available here. Address information available, attributes available. As we mentioned, communication we didn't mention here, but still communication also available here. Mobile number, email, country code, all these things, all these attributes what we mentioned in PPT is available here in real time. This is the real time. Premise. See, premise is available. This is the premise. See, what are the things are available in premise? All things we will get here. See, connection object, we got premise type, premise number, address, all these attributes we are getting. Location of the supplement, okay. All these things we covered here. Installation data. Installation data is to be, see, premise, business partner contract, premise, business partner contract, all this stuff will be available here. Okay. Up to here, this is the enough for today. Uh, did you guys anything to discuss about these things? Please let me know.
So when we do practical, so you will give us a handout how to set up the everything or how it will be.
Yeah, yeah, we will schedule. We will do from tomorrow itself practical. Okay. As of today, I gave you like how SAP it's performing, what are the data we discussed, how it is going in SAP. As I discussed in navigating the SAP screens, right? Tomorrow we will create the data.
So I understand the connection object, the contract that you are saying, how all those things are connected. So
Yeah,
if I have to start, so first I have to create a connection object and then create the contract and then connect each other or how it will be.
sure, sure, definitely. Hope we,
And we will get separate instance for everyone, or it will be shared instance of SAP.
in SAP, in most of the times, in real world, they will give a reference numbers to you to create the data. Okay, they will give a reference number like CA number, contract account number, all this stuff. They will give reference number, and you can create the whole setup, data setup.
Now, for our practice, for day-to-day
Yeah.
practice, we will get a separate instance or separate login for everyone.
Yes, sure. You have to buy the servers actually. Uh, it's a server actually. It's a separate server. Did you guys have the server? Or
Now,
did
I
did the
think
institute?
the demo is going on now. Once the demo is done and we do the payment, after that we will get the server access, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, I mean, I'm just confirming so that when we register, we will get a separate login for the server right to practice.
Yeah. We have to, yeah, you have to check with the admin team actually about these server details, all this stuff. Okay. I'm not a that guy to discuss about that. But you need server to do all this stuff, SAP server. Okay. Check with admin team. Okay.
So when we do practical, we will be going step by step, right? And you will be
Yeah.
telling us from where to start, where to end, and how the entire thing is working.
Yes.
And will it be possible to share the syllabus in a Word document and give it to us?
I already shared, right? You guys didn't go through that yesterday. I have shared.
No, in the WhatsApp group.
No, I shared at Zoom only. Here only
No,
I shared. Did you
is
guys didn't get?
no, Zoom will be session. Once you close the meeting, the Zoom link will the everything will be means done.